Hi everyone, so today I am going to do live swatches and review of a product that I've been testing out for quite a long time. These are Pack Cosmetics lip pots and these come in this kind of packaging. These are Pack Cosmetics Pro Lip Pots, long lasting lip color, and you get a pot of color along with a brush. The brush is complimentary. These lip pots are available at rupees 445 on Pack Cosmetics website, and I'll have all the links in the description box below. You just go and check it out. Also, there are almost 10 shades available. I have got all 10 of them. I'm assuming there are 10 shades available. There can be more. I'll check and drop everything in the info bar. So I have got 10 shades to test and review and swatch for you all. So I'll show you the product first. This is how the pot looks. It's quite a big pot. It's quite big, heavy. You get almost 5 grams of product. In a MAC lipstick, you get 3 grams of product. So you are getting almost like double quantity in this pot. And everything is written on the back of it, the manufacturing date, where it does the tech manufacture, and the quantity, price, shade number, everything, and you get this kind of product inside. And even the lip brush is quite functional. I used only this brush to apply my lip pot before, and this is how the brush looks. Quite nice, flat with a slightly pointed tip. So this is a quite small, nice brush. It's good for traveling as well. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So let's get into the swatching. Also, I'll mention all the names of the pots that I'm going to, that I will be swatching on the screen here, and so that you'll know what shade I'm swatching when. So yeah, this will be really convenient for you and me. So I will tell you the shade name, but I will mention it here, and I'll also mention it in the description bar. So we have 10 shades to swatch, so we better get started right now. The first shade that I'm going to swatch is Attitude. This is a pretty bright, like warm toned red. This is like an orangish red. So we'll just apply it quickly. I have Attitude on my lips, and this is a really pretty orange. You can see this is a very pretty orange. I never wear orange, this is a color I can really pull off and carry. Okay, I tried out 4 of these shades and they lasted a really long time. After a couple of minutes or maybe half an hour's time, it doesn't even transfer, so which is a big thing. But it's not hard to remove. You take your regular micellar water or your makeup remover and remove it. You're getting a really good product at an affordable price, like 500 bucks for a pot that has 5 grams of product, and the formula is really good, and you're also getting a lip brush. What more can you ask for, right? So, the next shade is Grown Up, and it looks like a bright pink. Yes, it looks like almost like a neonish pink, and this shade is really pretty. So let's try this out. This time I'm going to apply it using my finger and see if it really works. Oh, this is a pretty shade. This is such a beautiful color. It's like a bright pink, which is not like extreme neon. It's really pretty, and I have used it almost like a stain. Use your finger, it will give you a beautiful stain lip. So I was not expecting it to look this good, but this looks really, really good. So big thumbs up. The next shade is Red Heat, and it looks like an orange. I'm going to use my finger because it is easy. If you use a brush, the finish and the opacity will be higher. You'll get much more color and coverage. If you use a finger, it will work more like a stain. So after applying it on my lips, it looks more like a coral, and but the challenge is the texture of this particular shade is not even. This has like a crumbly texture, so when I'm applying it, I do not get an even application, and even on my lips I can see it getting patchy. So the shade is pretty, but the formula is not. I do not know if I have received a bad batch or the product is like that, but this is like a bummer. The color looks pretty, but when you try to apply it using a brush, this will not get an even finish. Another bright neonish color. This is Seriously. This is how the color looks. It's again a pretty neonish pink. Let's use the brush to apply this. This is again a pretty shade. The formula is really nice. You get an even application in a single sweep. It doesn't crumble. But if your lips are dry and chapped, you better exfoliate them. You better scrub them before applying any matte product. You should exfoliate them, because otherwise the matte product will kind of set into the crease and will look crumbly. So this shade is really pretty. I did not think that this color is going to look good on me, but it actually is. This can be a really good everyday kind of a shade if you want to. Yeah. Next shade is Fiction, which is again a red. Another challenge with this range is, or whatever shades I have received, out of the 10 shades, most of them are red, or in the family of red, pinks, corals. So there are no nude shades, or no browns, plums, or purples, the kind of color I love to wear during summers. But I think the brand will kind of add more shades too. So this is a beautiful red, as you can see. So this is shade Fiction, and the formula is amazing. You get a creamy, nice, even coat of color on your lips, and you do not really have to layer it up. So I think I did 2 layers or maybe 3 layers. I have to do more layers on my lower lip because it's like not pigmented, which is weird. My upper lip is pigmented, my lower lip is not pigmented, but then I have to build a lot of color on there so that both the lips can look even. But the color is very pretty. It's a very pretty warm toned red, and it instantly brightens up the complexion. I am sure you guys will also agree this color is very pretty, and the formula is also very good. Also, if you might notice makeup being rubbed off from this area, please ignore it, because I just cannot keep on applying foundation after each swatch, because when I swatch and remove the product, the foundation gets removed as well. So this is Ladyfinger. This is again a red. This is a deep red and a very pretty one. So I haven't been wearing red for a long time. I have moved on to pinks and neutrals these days, but I think this color looks really pretty, and it's really pretty on my skin tone. In fact, it should look good on all skin tones. I will tell you the shade name once again. It's Ladyfinger. The formula was really nice and creamy. You take your brush, swirl it into the pot, and it will kind of breaks the top layer, which might have solidified a bit. It breaks the top layer. You swirl your brush in there in the pot, and you get a lot of product on your brush, and then application is easy. You do not have to go back to the pot again and again to get more product. So I mean, this is what I have been doing, and this is working for me really well. So this is Ladyfinger. I hope you guys like this shade as well, because I really did. Next shade is Jealous, which is like a rust color. So I'm going to swirl my brush in the pot and get a lot of product on the brush. This is how Jealous looks on me, and it's a pretty rust color. I never thought that rust could look good on me, but it actually does. So so far I have not seen a single shade that looked weird. So I'm really enjoying these shades. The formula was really good. So the trick is to get maximum product on your brush and then apply. It applies so nicely, and the finish it gives, it doesn't make your lips feel dry, but the finish is like velvet matte, which is amazing, because right now whatever matte lipsticks are in the market, leaving a couple of brands, are expensive, and you get a lot of product and the finish is really nice. The formula is really good. You get a lot of staying power. It doesn't transfer, it doesn't move, it doesn't bleed. If you want a more precise and neat finish, you can apply a lip liner. So this shade is bomb. This shade is really pretty. The next shade is On the Rocks, and this is like a pink based red, and it's a very pretty shade. I wore it to a recent outing, and it looked amazing. Even without makeup, this color looked really good. So this is how On the Rocks looks. This is again a really pretty shade, and because of the presence of slight pink there, it looks really pretty. This shade is My Hero. This is again a red, and it's a kind of a cool toned red. So this is My Hero, and as you can see, the color is really pretty. So there is not much difference between My Hero and the color I swatched before, which was like On the Rocks. These are the two shades, My Hero and On the Rocks, and there is not much difference. So just hold on, I have the last shade here, which is like Smudge, and I wanted to keep it for the last because you know how I love berry colors. So this is like a really pretty berry shade, and this is how it looks. It's very pretty. It looks. This is how Smudge looks. This is a really pretty bright berry pink. So yeah, so the formula is really good. It applied nicely, it applied smoothly, and it was not crumbly. Like, I do not have words to say. I really like these pots, and believe me, I did not think that I'm going to like these so much, but these are really good value to your money. So if you think that buying a pot is a hassle because application is going to be a hassle, which I'm sure won't, because first of all, you can overlook that issue, which is not that big, because you always get a brush that you can carry in your bag. This is a really small size brush, and the brush works really well. Secondly, you can use your finger and use it as a stain. Thirdly, the texture, formula, staying power, the color payoff, everything is amazing, except for the one color that I swatched in the beginning, which was like a corally shade. This one, except for the red heat, which is like a coral color, which was like crumbly slightly. Otherwise, all the 9 shades, all the other 9 shades are really good. So I think I'm going to give this product a big thumbs up. And if you love matte formulas, if you love bright reds, pinks, then this is the line for you. And there are a lot of oranges, corals, bright pinks, and this berry toned pink, which is Smudge. Then there are dark deep toned reds. So there are a lot of colors to choose from. So I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch cum review video of Pack Pro lip pots, and I'll leave everything about the products, the price, where you can buy them, whatever details I can find. I'll just mention everything in the description bar. And if you like this video, and for the sake of my sore lips, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're watching me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.